Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alden Richards may bonggang pa-block screening ng movie ng Kim Pao na My Love Will Make You Disappear, buong detalye alamin. Tinupan nga ng kapuso actor na si Alden Richards ang pa-block screening ng movie ni Paolo Avellino at Kim Chiu, ang My Love Will Make You Disappear, kung saan ay napakabongga nito, at talagang buong Jin Group ang dumalo sa naturang pa-block screening, kung saan ay spotted din ang kapuso actress na si Barbie Forteza.
From running and everything, may pa-boodle fight at ngayon, meron naman siyang pa-block screening. Thank you so much grabe. At sa mga gym friends namin, grabe, di ba pala itsura kapag nakamaong,
Polo.
Walang mga jersey outfits and
Justin, nakatakin!
Nakatakin lahat. This is the fittest block screening.
Yeah!
Lahat may abs.
Together. And let's go guys. Cheers to life. Let's go. Congratulations. Cheers. Let's go.
Merry Christmas. Advance Christmas party. Ito na.
Wala, nag-yosi ako. Let's go. Support.
Yes! Hey, gym friends!
Hindi naka-dark.